So guys, getting a cover done for my boat by COVER-TEC, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys what it's going to look like. They are busy with it at the moment, so yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, this is the finished product from COVER-TEC. Look how beautiful that looks. Well done. Looks super awesome. And thanks to this guy over here, Vaughn. Thanks for the cover, buddy. And I will share his link in the description below, where you guys can get covers for your boats, your bikes, your cars, anything that you want to get covered. Vaughn can hook you up. So yeah, get it guys, and catch you guys on the next video. Cheers. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.